Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate your time and support. In today's video, I want to dive into an in-depth review and take a close-up look with you at my new book called Tattoo Needle Trivia. I will leave my affiliate links for you in the description below and in a pinned comment, so that way you can check out this book on your end. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. This is Tattoo Needle Trivia. This book right here is basically a tattoo needle questionnaire book that we can go through to get a better eye for spotting tattoo needles. Allow me to show you the cover here, and this is the cover close up. It is a glossy finish, as you can see, and this is in paperback format. That's the front. This is the back right here. This is the side of the book, and this is the top. The other side right here, and right here. Tattoo Needle Trivia contains 50 questions that are pertaining to tattooing needles. The idea of Tattoo Needle Trivia is to basically spot the configuration of each and every needle. So you're going to be graded with a series of questions, and then you're going to have to pick from multiple choice A through D which needle size you think that needle is. That is the concept of Tattoo Needle Trivia. Allow me to open the book and show you the first page here. So you can see when we open the book, we are graded with basically the idea and concept of what to be expected from Tattoo Needle Trivia Volume 1. You can see I do give you the abbreviations of like round liners, round shaders, and for Magnum. You get the idea there. And this is the example. So throughout the book, we're going to be graded with the needle configuration, and then we're going to have to guess the answer for this needle configuration from a multiple choice question. At the end of the book, there are answer sheets that give you the answer to each and every question. Here is a closer look at the graphics here and the first page. I want to show you what you can expect. Let's take a look at a page over here. So this is where the questionnaire starts. So you can see it's listed from 1 through 5 questions per page, all the way up to 50. Let me show you a quick skim through of these pages here. So those are the questionnaires right there. So you can see that on the left right here, we have the needle, and then over here, we have a close-up image of that needle tip. So this is to help you further, to give you a little bit more visual information to make a better choice. Every single needle, every single page has that. And again, there are 50 questions. At the end, there are answer sheets, as you can see here, that do give you the answers. Don't want to really give too many away, but you can see that each one does have the answers for the corresponding numbers. What's fantastic about Tattoo Needle Trivia Volume 1 is that you can get a blank sheet of paper, and you don't have to write on the book. You can just mark them 1 through 50 and then write your choice question there, and then come back and check. So that way you can retake the questionnaire until you're better at spotting needles. Here is a close-up look at the quality of needles on the paper, and you can see that we are capturing a lot of details here to make educated choices on what we feel this needle size is. If you're just starting out, or if you want to sharpen up your spotting abilities, then Tattoo Needle Trivia can definitely help you in a better direction. The idea is to take a look at the needle, take a look at the very tip here, and to try to spot how many needles we think there are, and then select the corresponding answer for the needle configuration at hand. For those who are wondering how they're going to grade their test, at the back of the Tattoo Needle Trivia Volume 1, there is answer sheets to all 50 questions. So you're going to know the answer to each and every question that you answered, and this is how we're going to tell if we're getting them right or wrong. I've also included QR codes to all the needles that you see here, so you can simply scan them with your smartphone and then navigate to the needle product page. Within the Tattoo Needle Trivia, I do also give you a little bit more information on needle configurations and needle diameters as well, to help you along the way. If you're wanting to further your tattooing abilities, I would recommend checking out this book, and again, my affiliate links will be for you down below. This can be great to help us not only spot needles, but this can be great to help us select our needles when it comes down to actually doing our own tattoos. We will be more equipped to select a more appropriate needle configuration for the tasks at hand. So there's multiple benefits coming from the tattoo needle trivia. And another great thing is that we don't have to just take the test one time. Chances of us getting all 50 right first try may be less than greater. So that means if we use a paper and mark our answers down on a paper, we can reuse this book as many times as we'd like until our brain starts registering different configurations and what they look like. With 50 tattooing needle questions, this is surely going to keep you busy for a while. That right there is the tattoo needle trivia book. It is available in the pinned comment down below and in the description of this video. Should you have any questions at all, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. Don't forget, I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. I appreciate your time and I thank you for tuning in. You have a great day.